Today I am going to cover one of these Crotalaria, our endemic Crotalaria, and that correct name and all I'll write on the title, because I didn't notice this plant earlier, and I didn't come prepared with the notes and all. Anyway, this is like that Crotalaria-Crotalaria and all. It's one of those Crotalarias, and flowers are very pretty. And then this plant is on the roadside, but if it is in a excellent location and all, then the flowers are little bigger and more lush look is there. Then the seeds are like this. This is a typical Crotalaria seeds. They are supposed to be like rattles. When you rattle it, you can hear some sound. So all this entire group has this kind of puffed up type of seeds, and when they dry, they rattle. So they called rattle podder, I think. So this blue, this particular Crotalaria, it's grows to some 6 to 8, even 10 feet. Good one in a good location, and leaves and all are. This is how the leaf looks. So I'll show a close up of the flowers a little bit. It's a herb also, this Crotalaria. It has medicinal properties and all, and it's one of our endemic plants. It occurs in this Western Ghats and probably Himalayas also. Very attractive flowers. Then tender buds are like this, and then the seeds I already showed, and leaf. Stem is having a kind of a quadrangle type of angular shape, at least the tender stems. And the older stems also, they have a kind of a angled, this thing is not round, this one. So overall plant I will show. It's occurring on the footpath. So this is one of the blue Crotalaria.